Hey guys, today I will show you how to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. So first what you need to do is open up PancakeSwap. Once it loads, look at the top right corner and click on the button that says Connect Wallet. A list of options will appear and from there you need to choose Trust Wallet. Now you'll see two choices. Either scan a QR code or install Trust Wallet on your PC. In this example, I'll be using Trust Wallet on my mobile device. To do that, open Trust Wallet on your phone, go into the menu and select the QR code scanner option. Next, use the scanner to read the QR code shown on PancakeSwap. Once scanned, you'll see a screen pop up asking you to confirm. Simply press connect and just like that, your Trust Wallet will be linked to PancakeSwap. From here, you can start using the funds available in your Trust Wallet directly on PancakeSwap. This means you'll be able to carry out transactions, trade tokens, and take full advantage of all the platform's features. Thanks for watching.